welcome back to my channel, and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is the first week of this ad cycle and we have some good deals going on. I would like to mention that most of the deals I shared in this video are limit of one, but I gave you multiple options. Hopefully you can find one that works for you. If you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and I hope you subscribe, like, comment and share. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and let's go find some deals. We have so many buy one get one free in this ad, and Oreo cookies are part of this deal. They are not giving back any extra care box. If you can find the Oreo Coca-Cola sandwich cookies priced at $6.99, pick up two, pay the $6.99, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each. That will end up making them just $4.99 or $2.50 each. Or you can pick up the Chips Ahoy, the family size, priced at $6.29, pick up two, pay the $6.29, and that will make each pack just $3.50. The next deal I have is not giving back any extra care box, and that's on the 7.8 to 14.5 ounce Kellogg's cereal. They're on sale for $1.99. Pick up two Raisin Bran Crunch, and both will total $3.98. We have $1 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $2.98 for both, or $1.49 each. I noticed that the coupon is not attaching to some of the Kellogg cereals. Make sure you're scanning your items before you check out. The next deal I have is on Huggies wipes. They're on sale for buy one get one free, and they are not giving back any extra care box. Pick up two Huggies Simply Clean 192 wipes priced at $9.99. Pay the $9.99. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back, limit of one, and submit your receipt to Shopkick for 400 kicks on each pack, limit of 5, and that means you get back 800 kicks from Shopkick, and that's equal to $3.28. After the Ibotta rebate and the Shopkick, these two will end up costing just $5.61 or $2.81 each. I was at another store and I found two more packs. 168 counts are priced at $11.99. Pick up two, pay $11.99, submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back, limit of one, and submit your receipt to Shopkick for 400 kicks back on each pack. That's $3.28, and that will make them just $7.71 or $3.86 each. If you'd rather pick up the 352 counts, this will be your breakdown. Pick up two boxes, paid $14.79, submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back, and to Shopkick for 400 kicks on each box. That's $3.28. That will end up making them just $9.51 or $4.76 each. The next deal I have is buy two get $5 back on Cottonelle 9 Mega Rolls or Viva 6 Big Rolls. Pick up two Cottonelle 9 Mega Roll bag tissues on sale for $9.99. That will total $19.98. We don't have any coupons currently in our app, but you can check their website and see if you can print out any coupons. I've always tried, but it never works out for me. Without the coupons, pay the $19.98 and you get 5 back, making them just $14.98 or $7.49 each. If you can find the Cottonelle flushable wipes, the 84 counts, they're on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. As you can see, my store is wiped out, but if you find it, pick up 2, pay $9 and get $2 back, making them just $7 or $3.50 each. The next deal I have is on Budbee's facial care. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up two Budbee's facial towelettes priced at $7.29. Because of the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $3.65. And these two will total $10.94. We have $1.50 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.44, and you get 4 back, making them just $4.44 or $2.72 each. This deal is a limit of one, but if you don't want to pick up the facial towelettes, you can pick up 2 sheet masks priced at $3.59, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $1.80. They will total $5.39. Use the $1.50 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $3.89, and you get 4 back, making them free and 11 cents money maker. The next deal we have is on Garnier Facial Care. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $6 back. If your store have two of the eye makeup remover pads, this will be your breakdown. Pick up two. They are priced at $7.79 each, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $3.90. They will total $11.69. I only have a 2 of 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT that will drop it down to $9.69, and you get 6 back, making them just $3.69 or $1.85 each. Another way you can do this deal is by picking up 2 of the blackhead eliminating scrub, priced at $9.99, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $5, and they will total $14.99. Using the 2 of 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT, it will drop it down to $12.99, and you get 6 back, making them just $6.99 or $3.50 each. The next facial care deal I have will be on St. Ives. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and they're part of buy two get $3 back. Pick up 2 of the face scrubs, priced at $6.49 each, and the second one will be $3.25. They will total $9.74. Pay that and get $3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each. That means you will get a total of $2 from Ibotta. After the extra care box and Ibotta rebate, these two will end up costing just $4.74 or $2.37 each. The next deal I have is spend $15 get $5 back on any L'Oreal Cosmetics. A very easy way to do this deal is to pick up the mascara price at $14.99. We all received a $3 off L'Oreal Extra Care coupon, and I have a 3 off 15 L'Oreal CRT. That will take off $6 and drop it down to $8.99, and you'll get 5 back, making it just $3.99. Maybelline is on spend 15 get 5 back. Pick up 2 Maybelline blush priced at $7.79 each, and both will total $15.58. We all received a 3 off Maybelline Extra Care coupon, and I have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT. That will take off 6 and drop it down to $9.58, and you get 5 back, making it just $4.58 or $2.29 each. Another way you can do this deal is by picking up the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Perfector priced at $14.79, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 15. Use the $3 off Maybelline Extra coupon everybody have, and a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT. It will take off 6 and drop it down to $8.79, and you get 5 back, making it just $3.79 only. The last option I have is to pick up 3 Maybelline Baby Lips priced at $4.99 each. They will total $14.97, and this is still within the 98% rule for the spend 15. Use the $3 off Maybelline Extra Care coupon and a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT. It will drop it down to $8.97, and you get 5 back, making them just $3.97 or $1.32 each. The next deal I have is on Aveeno lotion. They are part of the buy two get $4 back. Pick up 2 of the Aveeno lotion priced at $11.99. They will total $23.98. We have a $3 digital coupon, and we also have a 7 off 2 digital coupon. Both will double dip and take off $10 and drop it down to $13.98, and you get 4 back, making them just $9.98 or $4.99 each. The next deal I have is on Degree Dry Spray. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, and their price is $7.79 each. That means the second one will be $3.90. These two will total $11.69. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.69, and you get 3 back. Submit your receipt to Fetch for 1,500 points when you buy 2. That will end up making them just $3.19 or $1.60 each. The first hair care deal I have in this video will be on OGX Hair Care. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. My store is still running low. They only have shampoos and the oil, and the cheapest way to do this deal is to pick up 2 of the ones priced at $9.29. The second one will be $4.65. Both will total $13.94. Use the 6 off 2 digital coupon and it will drop you down to $7.94 and you get $4 back, making them just $3.94 or $1.97 each. My next deal is on L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner. They're on sale for 2 for $10 and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2. We don't have any coupon for these 2 items. Pay the $10 and get $5 back, making them just $5 or $2.50 each. The next deal I have is on whole blend shampoo or conditioner. They're on sale for 2 for $8 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, pay $8 and get 3 back, making them just $5 or $2.50 each. The last hair care deal I have in this video is on Garnier Fructis. They're on sale for 2 for $8 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, pay $8 and get 3 back, making them just $5 or $2.50 each. Nivea men's body wash is on sale for buy one get one free, no extra care box bag. Pick up 2, pay $6.29 and that will make each one just $3.15. The next Nivea deal I have will be on the Nivea Men Shave products. They are part of the buy 2 get 7 bag. Pick up 2 Nivea Men Shave Gel, priced at $6.59 each. And they will total $13.18. Pay that and get 7 back, making them just $6.18 or $3.09 each. The next shave deal I have will be on Chic or Skintimate disposable razors. They're on sale for 2 for $14 and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2. It don't matter what you pick. You can pick the Skintimate or you can pick up the Chic. We only have a $3 coupon in our app that will drop you down to $11 and you get 4 back, making them just $7 or $3.50 each. My next deal is on You by Kotex. They're on sale for 2 for $10 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up the 16 count tampons, pay $10 and get $3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each pack. That means you get back $2 from Ibotta, which will end up making them just $5 or $2.50 each. Centrum vitamins are on sale for buy one get one half off and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2 Centrum Silver, priced at $9.99. The second one will be $5 and they will total $14.99. We have a $4 off Centrum digital coupon that will drop it down to $10.99 and you get 5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each. That will give you back $4 from Ibotta. After the Ibotta rebate and the extra care box, this will end up costing just $1.99 or $1 each. The next deal I have is the spend 30 get $10 back and this deal is a limit of 1 per account. I have 3 options in this video. You can mix or match or you can pick whichever one you like. Just remember it's a limit of 1. That way you can get your extra care box. And the first option I have is to pick up the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99 and the Olive vitamins priced at $17.49. These 2 products will total $30.48. We only have a $3 in our app for the Tide detergent and it will drop you down to $27.48 and you get 10 back. And submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on the Olive vitamin. That will end up making them just $14.48 or $7.24 each. The second option I have is to pick up 2 small Tide pods on sale for $5.49 each and the Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99 and the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99. These 4 items will total $29.96 and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 30. Use $3 off Tide digital coupon and a $2 off Dawn Power Wash coupon also in our app. Use a $1 off Tide coupon from P&G December flyer and we also received a $1.50 off Tide Pod digital coupon. That will drop it down to $22.46 and you get 10 back, making them just $12.46 or $3.12 each. And the third option I have is to pick up the Downy Infusion on sale for $6.99 and the Charmin 6 Mega Rolls on sale for $9.99 and the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99. These three will total $29.97, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 30. Use the $3 off Tide digital coupon and $1 off Charmin digital coupon, and for the Downy, use the $1 coupon from P&G December flyer, and we also have $1 in our app. That will take off $5 and drop it down to $24.97, and you get 10 back, making them just $14.97 or $4.99 each. If you like Tide Simply, they're on sale for $3.79, and we have 75 cents off digital coupon that will make it just $3.04. In this week's ad, we have some app exclusive deals, and the first one I have will be the Smart Water, the 6 packs. We have a $3.99 coupon in our app that you can use for it. Just make sure you're scanning the items you want to buy and sending the coupons on CRTs to your card before checking out. And the next one I have is the 5-ounce Bumblebee Solid White Tuna, and we have a 99 cents coupon in our app for it. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and thanks for all your support, and I hope everyone have a wonderful new year, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.